Set the target temperature. The corresponding position of heating power supply 1. The corresponding position of heating power supply 2. Measure the temperature at the position corresponding to 1. Measure the corresponding position of temperature 2. Set the heating rate. The temperature zone has been set up. Set the moving speed. Click to move the parameter. Preset waiting time. Switch to automatic mode. Set the pre-melting temperature. Set a slow movement speed. Set a fast movement speed. Return when confirmed to be automatic. Set the preset parameters for hydrogen. Cleaning parameters. Set the cleaning vacuum. The traffic is set here. After the settings are completed, click Back. The above are the setting parameters. Here are 2 power states. Here is the vacuum value. Here are the vacuum parameters for voltage stabilization. Set the required pressure for the experiment here. For example, setting 10,000 pascals. The current actual value is over 40 Pa. How can this air pressure be stabilized at 10,000 pascals? Close the baffle valve. Turn on the voltage stabilizing control. Manually open the intake valve. The equal value is around 10,000 pascals. Manually close the air valve. Turn on the traffic. Turn on the traffic. Increase the argon gas settings by 200. The current traffic is still around 10,000 Pa. The voltage stabilization has been controlled. Click on the cleaning interface. Click Start. Cleaning in progress. It should be cleaned to below 15 pascals before inflation. The vacuum value has increased. Here is the remaining cleaning time. Here is the setting for the cleaning duration. This is the current number of cleanings. Here is the settings for the total number of cleanings. The current cleaning flow rate. The remaining time for cleaning. Turn on the water chiller. The water flow status display is on. Turn on the power. Click to heat up. Heat all. Temperature zone 1 and temperature zone 2. Hydrogen is introduced here. Argon gas is introduced here. 2 circuits are connected through gas cylinders. After summarizing, come out from the middle line. Through it. Enter from here. Controls the intake volume through the screen. The top is a manual air release valve. Protective gases can be introduced to normal pressure, manually turned. The air outlet of the pump is connected to the upper end. The lower end is connected to the cavity. This is an electric baffle valve. This is a pressure stabilizing valve. This is a pressure stabilizing valve. This is an electronic vacuum gauge. Water-cooled machine connection. Water cooling machine outlet pipe. Link the water inlet of the device. Outlet pipe of the equipment. Connect the water chiller's inlet pipe. After the water comes in, take this road. When you reach the top, it splits in two. Two water inlets are connected. The one inside is the water outlet. Split it in two on top, linking the two water outlets. Installation of water-cooled machine pipes. Take it off. Power signal line No. 2 is connected to port No.2. Line 1 connects to exit 1. This wire is the ground wire. Remove the 4 screws on the circle. Installation. After aligning, screws on the screws on all 4 sides. Installation of baffle valve. Installation of rubber rings. First, install the quartz tube. Install a rubber ring on the outer ring of the quartz tube. If it is difficult to install, you can first wet the rubber ring with water. Insert the card ring. Put in another rubber ring. Display after installation. There is a retaining ring between the 2 rubber rings. There must be a gap maintained between the quartz tube and the whole ring. The copper ring must not scald the quartz tube. If the copper ring is close to the quartz tube, the height of the nut can be adjusted at the top. By adjusting the height of the nut, adjust the height of the copper ring.